Hello, let's take a look at your MT4 LT1 seminar. And we're going to look at our state standards today, and they all revolve around graphing. And we're going to make sense of problems by graphing them today. I want you to graph linear functions by making a table, and we're going to look at the x and y intercepts. One of the basic ways to graph, if you don't know how to graph, is to always go back to the beginning and make a table of values. We'll learn other ways of graphing a line, but the table of values works no matter what. And it works whether it's a line or if it's anything else. You'll get some more complex things in Algebra 2 that you can always go back and make a table if you're confused. Now, the nice thing about a line, because we know this is a line because it's a linear function, because notice negative 2x minus 3 equals y. There's no exponents. We're not multiplying the x and y together, so I know it's a line. You only need 2 points to make a line. I'm not very good at drawing a line, so I always put like a check in there. I put 3 points, but you really only need 2 if you have a ruler. So we're going to make a table, x and y, and notice y actually equals negative 2x minus 3. I can put in any numbers I want. I like numbers around 0. So the numbers I like are negative 1, 0, and 1. Now let's find the value of y. So now I'm going to replace, you're going to evaluate this function when x is negative 1. So I'm going to go negative 2 times negative 1 minus 3. Notice negative times a negative is a positive, so 2 minus 3, well, that's negative 1, isn't it? So I've got, kind of weird that they're both exactly the same. So I got negative 1 and negative 1. Then I'll put in 0. Nice things happen with 0. Notice negative 2 times 0, that's 0. 0 minus 3, well, that's negative 3. So I'm going to graph the point 0 and negative 3. And then we'll do 1. Negative 2 times 1 minus 3. So that's negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 5. So I'm going to graph the point 1 and negative 5. So now let's plot our points. I'm going to make my graph a little bit bigger so we can zoom in and actually see it. So negative 1, negative 1. I'm right there. 0, negative 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There I've got my 3 points. I only needed 2 of them. Now I'm going to draw a line going through those points. Make my line a bit thicker here so you can see it. Okay, there's my line going through my points. And voila, there we have it.